Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are returning, hey y'all, hey. Thank you so much for again subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. So in this video, it actually is a kind of a new thing that I'm doing. It is a part of a series. So it is my beauty hacks series. So get excited. I've been in the beauty industry for over 15 years. And so I wanted to share with you a few tips and tricks with regard to grooming habits and skincare and hair and all that fun stuff. So make sure you tune in, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications so you know when I upload. I do upload weekly content, so I want to make sure that you are getting all the information, all the strategies, and all the suggestions that I have for you. So in today's video, this one is about waxing. So I currently am a wax specialist, and I see a lot of women and men every day, and I've seen a lot of things. So we won't get into that part, but anywho, this video is going to really give you some tips, suggestions, and strategies to make your appointment easier. What you need to know before you go to your waxing appointment. The first tip is to exfoliate. You want to exfoliate 24 hours before going to your appointment. That way you're removing all the dead skin cells and that your skin is nice and clean and ready to receive the wax. Second tip is no caffeine, guys. Try to limit your caffeine. If you can just go without it, that'd be great. And we're talking about green tea, coffee, energy drinks, anything that has caffeine in it, chocolate. You got to read your labels, okay? So try to cut down on the caffeine, because the caffeine will really kind of stimulate that blood flow, and then it will make the waxing, your skin more sensitive to the wax, okay? The next one is a no-brainer. However, I've seen it. So make sure you shower before you wax. And if it's not a shower, maybe you just wash off and do a bird bath. Remember those? So bird bath, if you have to, run into the bathroom before they're waxing, just to kind of warm that skin up, get that skin a little more soft and supple so that it's not like hard and dry. I'm telling you, if you have hard, dry skin with a lot of dead skin built up on it, you're gonna be screaming, okay? So make sure you shower at least, a few hours before, obviously that day, or if you can try to wash off before your appointment, all right? Then number 4, you're going to want to make sure that your hair is long enough. So the length is important. They suggest a grain of rice. Now that is subjective, so I don't do the grain of rice. If you have been shaving, I say wait 3 weeks after you shaved. I know, ladies, that is not easy. The hair is itchy, you hate hair, I get it. However, if you want a nice clean wax, you're gonna wanna wait 3 weeks, okay? I'm just saying, I've seen that. I've been doing it almost 4 years, so just trust me, okay? And then the last one, but it's not the last one because I have a bonus, so make sure you stick around. The last is number 5, and the key to all of this is to relax. Relax. Because when you are tense and you're holding your body and you're scared and nervous about the pull, then you are holding on to the wax basically. Your body, the blood, everything is holding, so you're not releasing it. So when you relax, you're releasing those hair follicles, you're releasing everything to come out and to be easy. So, and it's easier on the wax specialist. Oh, let's just be honest. Like when you're, clamping and you're doing all the stuff, that doesn't work for us, okay? So just try to relax. Hopefully you have a wax specialist that is inviting or has a good bedside manner. It's someone like myself. Anyway, but I have a great conversation with my clients, and it's fun, and with my guests. It's fun and it's inviting, and they come back just for more therapy, more, of the TLC that I give. But bonus tip, guys. So I gave you some tips before the wax, but let me just let you know after your wax what you need to do, okay? So don't leave. So basically after your wax, you're going to want to abstain from sex 24 hours. Abstain from exercising, heavy sweating. Try not to go into a hot shower or bath. Your pores are open. So just think of this open pore, you almost like, not that you had surgery, but You just want to care for your skin because it's open and it's subjective to all kind of bacteria. And so we want to cut down on the possibility of infection and or ingrown hairs, okay? So you're going to want to not get into a hot shower, submerge, or a sauna, or bask in the sun or anything like that for 24 hours. Some people, wax for different reasons, but ladies, if you're going to go meet your friend, wax the day before, okay? Let's just be clear. You don't want sweat and bacteria in there. I'm telling you, this is not gonna be good, all right? So I believe that's all my tips before and after care for waxing. Again, this is part of my beauty hack series, so make sure you stay tuned for the next video that I have coming next week. Turn on that notification bell so that you know when I upload it, right? So you can get some tips and tricks so that you can have, great service, a great time when you are going in to a place to get it done, or maybe if you're going home and doing it yourself. These are still steps that you have to do for you, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure that you stick around for the next two. And until we meet again, I will talk to you soon. Bye.